Introduction to Python. Python is a high-level programming language. It is designed to be easy to read and simple to implement. It is one of the most popular programming languages because of the many features it provides. Let us learn more about the features of Python. Features of Python. Python is an open-source software. It can be downloaded from the official Python website. Python is a platform-independent language, meaning it can be used on any operating system. Python is easy to read, learn, and understand. Python has a simple syntax. Python is case-sensitive. Python uses indentation to separate blocks of codes. Python is an interpreted language, meaning it is executed line by line. Applications of Python programming. Python finds its uses in many areas. Some of the most popular uses are web development. Python is commonly used in the creation of server-side applications. It is also used to create interaction mediums between databases and websites. Scientific and numeric applications. Python provides many advanced libraries like NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib. These libraries are commonly used for high-level programming and numerical analysis. Desktop GUI. Python is used to create many desktop applications like Dropbox, Instagram, Spotify, etc. Language development. Python is commonly used in the development of many other languages and applications. Game development. Python is used to create many games.
Installing Python. To work in a Python environment, first we need to install it. The steps to install Python are as follows. Step 1. Download the installation package from the following link: https://www.python.org/downloads/. Step 2. Select the version of Python to install. Here, we are installing Python 3.10.4. Step 3. Download Python executable installer. Step 4. Run executable installer. Step 5. Verify that Python is installed on Windows by searching in the Windows search bar.
Python IDLE. Python IDLE is used to write code in Python coding language. After installing Python, when we open it, it provides us some components. Let us learn about them. Components of Python window. The different components of Python window are: title bar. It displays the name of the application and document. It also contains control buttons. Menu bar. It contains menus of the Python window which are File menu. It provides sub-options like Save, Open, New, etc. Edit menu. It provides option to edit the file in use like copy, cut, paste, etc. Help menu. It provides help related to different topics of Python. Other menus are Debug menu, Shell menu, Options menu, and Windows menu. Next component is Script area. This is the area where you type your code. And Status bar. It tells you the current status of your control on the window. These are the components of a Python window.
Dear students, you now know how to start Python. As you will be using the idle window mostly, let us understand the working in idle. Idle is the integrated development and learning environment of Python. There are two ways to enter commands in this mode. Interactive mode using the shell window. Script mode using the editor window. Interactive mode. Interactive mode is where you get feedback to a command immediately with the primary prompt. If more statements are expected in the program, you get the secondary prompt. In the idle window, when you enter an expression such as 20 plus 47 and press the enter key, you immediately get the result 67. This is called the interactive mode and is similar to the command line interface.
Variables in Python. A variable in Python is a named memory location used to store data during program execution. A variable can store only one data set at a time. When new data is assigned to the variable, the old data is overwritten. Assigning values to variables. Assigning values refers to storing values in a variable. To store values in a variable, the assignment operator is used. For example, to store the value 10 in a variable n, you will use the following statement. Rules to write the variable names. Python imposes certain rules which must be followed while creating variables. Let us learn about these rules. A variable name must start with a letter or underscore. A variable name cannot start with a number. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. Variable names in Python are case-sensitive. Hence, age, and age are not the same. Python keywords cannot be used as a variable name.
Script mode. Script mode is the creation of multi-line script programs in Python. Script mode is used when you want to write a program that contains one or more statements. It is similar to writing a program in a text editor such as Notepad. The editor window is used for this mode. To create a script using the editor window, follow these steps. 1. In the Python shell window, click File and then New File. 2. A blank window appears. Type the code as shown here. The code contains 3 print statements to print information in the output. 3. Save the file with .py extension. To do this, follow these steps. A. Click File and then Save. Save the file by giving a name to it, such as first_program.py. D. Click the Save button. You will see that the file name appears on the title bar of the editor window. 4. To run the program, click Run and then Run module in the editor window. You can also press the F5 key to run the program. The output of the program is displayed in the shell window.
Mridal wants to create a list in Python and print the first 3 items of the list. How will he do this? A list is a series of different values such as a list of items, students or colors. To create a list, you need to type more than one value. To assign a value to a list, you need to place the values in a square bracket, separating them with a comma. We will create a list of various subjects with the name subject list. The list is created. Let us print the list. To display a specific range in the list, use a colon and square brackets with the print command. Press enter. You get the range of first 3 items in the list.
Understanding the input statement in Python programming. Swechha is learning Python programming. She wants to learn the input statement. Let's know about the input statement. Input statement is used to take input from the user. Once the input function is called, the next command will not be executed until the user has given an input and presses the return or enter key. User can input a number, string, special character, etc. By default, the entered data will be considered as a string. Let us learn about the input statement. Open the Python interactive mode from Quick Launch bar or Start button. In the Python interactive mode, type the input command as input. Python is a case-sensitive language, so I in the input command has to be in small caps, otherwise it will give an error. Let's see. Now, let's use the correct command with small I. Since the input function is called, the system is now waiting for user to give an input and press the enter key. Now, let's see what is meant by input command returning a string. This shows error since any input given in the input command is considered as string or, in simple terms, a word, even if we have entered the integer 4 in the example. To convert any number entered after the input command to an integer, we can use int command. Or else, we can simply use the input command within the int command. See how. You saw that how the int command converts an input number to an integer, provided that a number only is entered in the input command. Execute this in Python. 6 times 7.
Operators in Python. Operators are symbols which are used to perform arithmetic and logical operations. Let us take an example to understand. Sum is equal to x plus y is an expression. In this expression, plus symbol is an operator. It is an operator that adds x and y. X and y are operands. Operands are the values and variables on which the operation is performed. Types of operators in Python. Python offers different types of operators, which are arithmetic operators, string operators, assignment operators, relational operators, logical Boolean operators. Let us learn more about these operators. Arithmetic operators. These operators are used to perform mathematical operations. They are of 2 types, unary operators and binary operators. Binary operators work with 2 operands. For example, binary operators are of different kinds which are shown in the table. String operators. These operators are used to perform operations on a string as shown in the table given. Assignment operator.
This operator is used to assign values to variables. Relational operators. These operators are used to establish relation between operands. The use of these operators are shown in the table. Logical Boolean operators. These operators are used to establish the truth of a statement. The use of these operators are shown in the table. Operator precedence. Expressions in Python often have more than one operators. While executing such expressions, Python interpreter decides at runtime which operator to be evaluated first. However, all operators are not executed at the same level. There exists a precedence level which is followed while executing such expressions, known as operator precedence. In Python, the operator precedence is parenthesis, exponent, unary, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, binary, relational, Boolean logical operators.